unbox mail's here.
Ooh. Pins.
Hi guys, welcome to the Ohana abroad. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that
like and subscribe button.
And the bell button.
Ding.
Ding. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. What are we going to be doing?
We're going to be unboxing some pins.
Ooh. So what we got here is a pen trading monthly box. You can do a subscription every month for them, which is really cool. And then we also have 2 other sets of pins here that are from a live Instagram sale we did, which was pretty cool.
And also we have a special treat. So if you wait until the end, we got some special pins for you that are limited edition.
We'll start with the pen monthly box. You can get a subscription for every month, which is really great.
And they have different tiers of subscriptions as well, from different prices.
So it also comes with this cute little letter when you open it up. And then, so we'll just pick one, and then we'll show you our reaction. Okay, we haven't seen these before.
Oh, this one's cute.
Alright, I like this one. This is a little mini purse bag. She's cute.
And I got Peter Pan, looking all cute.
We don't collect either of these though, so it'll probably go onto our trading board.
Yes.
Alright, so up here, you choose one. Don't look.
Oh.
Alright, ready? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, go.
Oh, this one's cool. It's like a limited edition one.
What does it say on the back? Here, let me see. Oh, so this pin was originally $17.99 inside the part.
Yeah.
Which is really cool. And it, so this one actually comes with an authentic back to it.
And it moves. It's Chewbacca. It's pretty cool. I like it.
Is that
It's going to be on my Star Wars collection.
I thought so. So this one, I'm not really sure what she is.
Yeah, I don't know what she is either.
So if you guys know, maybe leave a comment down below. We'd love to know more about her, but she's probably going to be going in our trading collection. Alright. Ready?
And then we got 2 other ones.
2 more left. Okay. Oh my gosh, I really love this one.
Oh, that one is adorable.
So we love collecting our little tiki pins. So this one is going to be mini with a skirt on, and it says, Aloha, welcome. And she is super cute. I really love this one.
Definitely going in our tiki collection.
Yes. Oh.
And I got Ariel. She got a green dress on, and it's
She's
like
really,
glittery.
Yeah,
and
super
it's
sparkly.
Really nice. I really like it.
That one's really nice. Really bright.
Yeah, I really like it.
We don't really collect princesses, though, so that one will also probably go onto our trading board. So onto our live sale pins. So I'll put a description on down below, and it'll say like where we got these. It's a really great price for starting out, like looking for the pins that you really want to start collecting. Most of the pins I got here were like $3 to $6.
Pretty cheap.
Yeah.
Especially from buying them at Disneyland. Yeah, and you'll get a lot more.
So, okay, we'll start off with this first one. It is probably the best one out of the collection, just because I think I spent a little bit more on this guy. It is Marie. She is super cute. It's a Disneyland Paris pin. It's she is gonna be like a baby, and she has like a little M around her neck.
Super cute.
Really like that one.
And she collects a lot of them, so she has a pretty good collection of them.
Yeah, I really like Marie and cat pins for some reason. This used to be a green pin, so I'm not sure how much that costs inside the Disneyland Paris parks, but I think that is pretty expensive. Moving on. Okay, so I'll hand you a pin, and then we can go from there. Alright, don't look yet. Okay, ready? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, go. Okay, ooh.
Oh, this one's cute. This one's definitely going in my collection.
Okay, Alex loves to collect orange birds.
He
loves the look of them, and
yeah,
they're really cute.
And I got a whole bunch.
Okay, and I got another part for my tiki collection, and it's gonna be this little guy here. He's really cute, got a tiki vibe to it. Definitely.
Got like a volcano on his head.
Yeah, he definitely reminds me of like something that I would see inside like Trader Sam's.
Yeah. Ooh, This one, you're gonna love this one.
Let me see.
This is a
Oh, that one's super cute.
Tower of Terror, and it actually moves up and down. That is pretty cool.
I think we're gonna try to start collecting like rides. That's like probably on my
that's
list.
probably on our list right now.
So mine is super cute. It's a little Tsum Tsum. I think he's from the Adventureland. I am gonna try to actually start collecting all of these guys. So here he is. Super cute. I'm gonna try to make like a little tiki bag that has like all of my, so I can like show off all my little tiki pins. Alright, one for you, one for me.
Ooh, this one's cool. I like this one.
Ooh, it's another Tsum Tsum one for me from the
Adventureland.
Yeah, super cute.
And
we love the Tsum Tsums, honestly. We love the little big heads.
I like the little big heads. And then I got World of Color Mickey ears.
Yellow.
That one's pretty cool.
Like that one.
I like that. I like the writing in it.
Alright, let's see. I think we have like 3 more left maybe. Let's see, yeah. 3
and then
more.
we have a special one at the end for you guys.
Yeah, so stay tuned. Alright, ooh, okay,
Ooh,
you
I
go
think
first.
this is Tsum Tsum too.
Yeah, they're both
from
Tsum Tsums.
Adventureland.
So that one is...
And I think we pretty much completed our...
Yeah, so this is mine right here. This is really cute. He has a little hat on. Super cute. I think the only one that we're actually missing is the white bird.
Yeah.
Okay, so this last pin here, we'll look at it together.
Ooh,
this one's
that one's
really
nice. And that goes with the Mickey ears.
So we love World of Color.
I love it.
Yeah, that's
World of
probably
Color
like
is awesome.
our favorite thing to watch other than
the fireworks.
Yeah, fireworks.
Or Fantasia is awesome as well.
So I mean, we love all of it.
Yeah, we love all of it. So
this is a World of Color pin here. It has what is that called? The stainless steel?
The stainless
glass.
Glass.
Yeah, so that one's really nice.
You
kind
can
of
see
like
through it if there's light.
Yeah.
You can see through it.
I really like that one. Okay. And that's Tinkerbell on the little side of it.
Oh yeah.
That one's really cool. Okay, alright. You guys ready for our surprise?
You guys waited till the end, so you guys made it. We're going to show you.
Where did we pick this up at?
We got it at the Disneyland store inside the mall.
Okay. And this one is super cute, so we'll just open it up here.
They're limited edition.
So this is, we love...
The 10th anniversary.
Yeah, so we love to collect up pins. This is basically our very first pin set here.
Yeah.
So it is a limited edition of
10th anniversary of 2,400.
Yeah, 2,400. It's a pin set of 6, which is a really great price because I think we picked it up for about like $60 after tax. Which is a really great price, and they're all really nice. I love them.
Yeah, I really like them.
They kind of have like a poster vibe.
It's like a poster around the pins. Makes it look like a art for a movie.
Yeah. So if you guys get in time to get to your local Disney store, I would pick these up definitely. Don't think that we're going to be trading any of these. I think we're going to probably keep them in the boxes.
Yeah. I think they'll go with our other up pins because we got plenty other ones as well.
Yeah. We have reached the end of our unboxing video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to
like and subscribe, and drop us a comment down below and let us know what your favorite pin is. And if you want more unboxing pin videos, well, we will give that to you.
Ohana out!